being with us throughout the day, and this being the last presentation, we will try to make it as swift as possible. I must mention at the very onset that this is a part of our Hindu College's Envy Thadani Innovation Project, where we are the co-project members, where we are working on ecological restoration. I mean, that is our key theme, and the departments of zoology, the departments of chemistry, and the Department of Philosophy. These three departments are involved, and seeing this conference, we thought it rightly befits our theme, and so we are here today. I must also mention our student researchers, our undergraduate students, and this being a part of the NEP structure where the undergraduate students ought to be encouraged. I must say that they have also been there who have really worked towards the working of the paper that we are going to present, and with us we have Upasna. Upasna, can you please stand up? We also have someone, and we also have just great. So chemistry and philosophy is here, so it is a combined effort, and again, yes, thank you so much. And again, this being majorly an undergraduate research initiative, I would politely request that the intellectual minds, should not really judge us from those lenses, for it is basically for them that we are very humbly presenting our views. Also, my greatest salutations and greetings to Professor R.T. Barua for being the backbone of, I think, the Schopenhauer division of India, and of course to Professor Kostler, and to all the delegates who have so gracefully graced and have given people like us a chance to present our thoughts today, and definitely in the presence of some of